I recently saw an article by SEO AI, and it says that Google is not against AI generated content and text any longer. It is on January 11th, so very, very recent. And technically, this article states that Google's position has now changed and AI is no longer to be avoided. Technically, in my point of view, Google cannot ban AI content because everyone is going to use it. You can't control it. The only way that you can control is whether or not the AI content is helpful. As you can see here, it says that Google has changed their position and said automatically generated content intended to manipulate search rankings. So long as the content that you created is by AI and you actually put in your time and brain to actually make sure the content is helpful for the viewers, then it will still rank in Google. That's the reason why even though you use content rephrased by Right Sonic, I still urge you to still put your time into editing the content to make sure that it is good for the reader. Only then Google will be willing to rank your article into the top of the page, even though it is generated by AI content. But overall, this is still very new. No one really knows what's going to happen in a matter of days, weeks, months, or even in the coming year. Everything is so new, we don't know what's going on. But common sense says this is that you should always put in your extra time and work to check work that has been done by AI. Don't just blindly copy the answer and submit to the teacher. When someone wants to sabotage you, you could easily get sabotaged unless you double check. Same with AI content. What if AI is there to sabotage you? You won't know unless you double check. Common sense. So there you have it, guys. But what about you? What are your thoughts? Are you worried about Google detecting your AI content, or you don't really care? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Let's get the discussion going. And also, I placed a link below that you can check out on the course that I've created on how you can make money with ChatGPT. Do check that out. But definitely check all the links below because I have some good stuff over there for you as well. That's all, guys. Remember, use common sense, use AI responsibly, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.